There's a reason why U.S. investors like China stocks, and I guess it can cut both ways. Would you use the word uninvestable now, like Goldman Sachs, or do you just need to be careful?
Look, so we first invested in Alibaba Group at $6.75 a share, and we've known the management team there for a long time. It's funny, when I first met Daniel, who's now the CEO, he ran Tmall Taobao and worked in an office the size of a closet. No, look, what I've told a lot of my investors who have asked us, and we actually we bought Alibaba, we started buying it, because part of our fund can do public equities. We started buying it at 210, clearly we were early. We bought a bunch more at like 157, 158. I told people, look, over the next like 6 months, 9 months, I have no clue where these stocks are going, but I think over the next like 3 to 5 years, these things are much higher than they are today. Because I still believe the Chinese government is taking a very long view and wants to conquer the world. Look, I was just in Africa, in Tanzania and Kenya, and like there's Chinese stuff all over the place. And I think they're going to do it to these big internet companies. I just think they want these guys and gals who run these companies to know they're not bigger than the Communist Party. And some of these regulations are pretty good. Like, I don't know. I got kids. You probably have kids too. Would you really mind if the U.S. said your kids couldn't play video games after 10 o'clock at night or not play video games? Like, I know it's a slippery slope, but like some of this stuff I actually think is good. But look, it's huge. It's hugely uncertain. I can't say with any exact precision how much this stuff's going to go, how bad it's going to get, how not bad it's going to get. All I know is that they fined Alibaba $2.5 billion. They didn't fine him $100 billion and nationalize the company. And so at least in the case of Alibaba, we like it, but maybe we're crazy.
Just wonder, is it a multi-year development that we're watching? Will there be something that indicates to you that it's all clear, or at least maybe they've accomplished what they wanted and it's safe to go back into the water? And at that point, what do you suggest people? What would be the names you'd want to buy?
Yeah, so the short answer is I don't know. And like every person, in terms of when is the right time, nor does anybody else you're going to have on your program. There's going to be a lot of people that will pontificate and tell you when they think is the time. But who knows? Like, I'm not friends with the premier, and nor is anybody else who's going to be on this program. And I'm not sure he's the only one making the decision. I think the all clear I think you will see, and this is just a pontificating from my view.
Yep.
I think you will see an Ant or a ByteDance IPO in the next 12 months, and that probably signals time.